ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kajilla Meghalaya haga khat artri uyayong aca apusau klasaki ya kajing Sdang jongka Meghalaya'S Strawberry Festival haga wegashnong hariboy kata kashnong Sohliya kabadi kaweni kishnong kabala paubha haga kamrab ban Pynmih yaw strawberry na Kajilla Meghalaya. Yakni ka Strawberry Festival ni kata Tamasa so strawberry la pelong dakatanat tourism ka sarkar jilla ringkat kajinga trelang berkatanat agriculture ringkat kinongrem balapen phu pen phiang ru yakni ka Tamasa da ka jingdon lang ka opus production bar ka Meghalaya grassroots music project ka jingthmu ba khmat e jong ka jing pelong yakum ka ni ka Tamasa ka ni ka thong jong ka sarkar jilla ban Kyntiew ya ka jaka jungo kai perthai lingba ka jingrap ya so strawberry ban Kyntiew ya ka yok ka kot jong kinongrem Barkum juru ban penslur ya kani ka kamrap so strawberry shakinongram balingba kani ka kamrap kinyo shibun ka jingmentoy hakalyang kayo ka kon lingba kani ka Tamasa la pelong ru ya ka jingnya cycle shaka strawberry farm kabadan halum nongrem dawli ka jingshna yaki wine lingba strawberry ka jingshna jam bat rengkat kaput katem kum shibenta ban pelong ya kani ka Tamasa ka bajam Ya kini ka Tamasa lawan ban Pliru daw Commissioner and Secretary Katan Tourism u Vijay Kumardi kum ukongsan baladan rengkat ru uba o lengkoi rang ba shnong ka Sohliya ki officer bat ki wei ki riupat ba ki balawan ban sakhi ya kini ka Tamasa.
Now we are reviving this strawberry festival. What I want to just use this opportunity to kind of explain why we are doing a strawberry festival. What is the importance of a strawberry festival like this? And you know how it impacts and how it can have an explosive impact on the lives of not just the people of this village but of people across many other villages and even beyond our state. So when we think of our state, Meghalaya, I think we have many opportunities, but I think the two greatest opportunities that we have is tourism and high value horticulture. So I was discussing with Baos, he was saying, the strawberry is much better than ginger because strawberry in 2 bags you can carry strawberry and you can get 50,000 rupees in your pocket. So ginger, even if you carry one big bag of ginger, you'll get less money because strawberry is a high value crop. So high value crops like strawberry grow very easily in Meghalaya. We have a wonderful climatic conditions, excellent soil. Our farmers are hardworking, they want to take advantage of all this and they want to grow these crops. So, and when we sell these crops, we are able to produce, whether it is strawberries, whether it is flowers, whether it is other fruits like kiwis, whether it is even high value spices like our Lakadong turmeric. So all these high value produce that we are capable of producing in our state thanks to our wonderful climate, thanks to our, as I said, the soil and all the resources that we have, we can make more money. So we can earn more money and we can earn more money, the farmers can earn more money, the entrepreneurs can earn more money by taking advantage of what we have, the natural resources, the natural endowments we have. The second great advantage we have is tourism, which is, I think, Meghalaya, we are again blessed with good climate and this green geography with wonderful waterfalls and all. People would love to come to Meghalaya. So what we are trying to do through this Strawberry Festival is to integrate these two advantages we have. We have tourism, we have the advantage of tourism, we have the advantage of high value horticulture. So when we do a thing like high value horticulture crop like strawberry, so we not only sell the strawberry, we not only do value addition of the strawberry, to kind of increase the income of the farmers, but we also connect it with a festival, with tourism, with tourist activities like strawberry picking, with the experiencing how to make strawberry wine. We connect these two so that the opportunities, both the livelihood opportunities and the enterprise opportunities for the people here, for the people in Shillong, for the people in other places of the state become high. We have better punnets.
Yeah. Your bonnet we have. Your bonnet we have already used.
So
Here
not,
in festival.
you should not use plastic.
Yeah, right.
That's just sweet. Good. I think the fresh strawberries and strawberry wine. Yeah.
Yeah, so good as well. This one is 4%. Yeah.
So, how many fruits come in one punnet?
If you come in 300 to 400 grams.
No.
Oh, one punnet.
Number of fruits.
In punnet,
20.
depend on the grade. Grade 1, grade A, it come about 12.
12.
12. Grade B, 12 to 14. And grade C will come to 16 or 15.
But next time we'll plan it even in a much bigger way.
Yes. Okay.
And
So
we'll
why
combine it with tourism.
Yeah.
And then it will be a big thing.
40%.
Yeah. Horticulture
Why
and
would
tourism.
you have to go to Nesa? Oh.
Mm.
Kalau bodong madu pada Februari November Oktober sedang lakukan akan berarti perlu berharap ini di Oktober. Untuk tetap mirip, kalau tetap rendu mentang akhlam selik jadi Februari habis Muslim mengalap pada mirip Februari kalau jadi kami nong bagi jatuh. Bagumta Ipanong ini Februari sebal mentang nong bagi nong Ibana jan senang bat pilih gue ru kin disip talang banyak talang bakiru Kyntiew kayak kan kesan ni kijing sistem jadi atar no sobri minta yang laban penwan bunda kijing ki by product no ni sana sobri jam ni sana sobri wan ni sana jahit reter sobri ni sana finid met sobri entar teter ulong bab laban pun kami ya kasobon ni sana entar sobri ya kalau ke ba ni lapan penukam bunja takadang apa telur di kinore baro bakin rep yuno sobri ya ke problem hang cerita pulang tanggu sembai manting ngeterian mai abara de sebaste marhang ning impar labat Pynmih sembal jong menggunaki teknikal person banle lekam den takadaw ka problem konsannya kedai takatai mangimla banyo terai ngabara duduk pune na po himachang kadang kan poin lolong arto artan terai tikino pula pada pot pantit ter nata kadaru kadang di kartatit ni cak tok tek cak blaf te tertem ki ang de matangirap meterdon ki ora do we berarti bom da ba kin ngorap di nong sako we pat ajung nong kolong padawan kan natural committee suwan upria abawan upria te tak arbonai ru pat yo sok berkait ma boleh ni apa butuh sekon thar protein rang ba un ba ni have to bread untuk tekibala sekria dai tak dawi apa seluruh orang berkhaj pakai dia sembata berfabrik tak nalai channel orang cesetu ngalai mengasdoro penyelam jadi noston semodu sama peran tu berkira mengalai cuma nongkong bandai introduce kumno bantung kumno ban ai to motion kumno balayum kumno kadrip tu berkhaj alai cuma Adin Meghalaya'S kalau jiran dah government ngalalai kelas sedang kan bagi orang ngalai pandira don tahu jasa menoleh jadu kesirangan ngalai pandira jarap ki norep hakim jarap musuh beri tetap kontai meskipun di dewan.